Okay, I need y'all to follow 3 big rules. No touching any actors or props. They cannot touch you. You cannot touch them. No flash photography. No flashlights, and have fun.
All right, thank you.
Be waiting.
Go to your left.
Thank you. Oh, check out the skulls. Oh, look at this. Whoa, 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 whoa.
You're a big fella.
Oh, I am big.
You should get out of here.
I'm getting out of here.
I'll put your eyes out. And
Meet the brat. Oh, that was freaky. We got another shadow here. Oh boy. Guess I'm following this guy. Whatever this guy's doing. Oh, crud. Okay. All right, I'm out of here. Creepy people. Oh. Oh, I guess I'm moving too fast. I gotta slow down. All right. Oh, you got a living mannequin here and light up smile.
want a pet her?
Nope, no thank you.
Be careful. She'll shake you.
Oh, yeah, I believe it. All right, I'm moving on.
No.
Got some creepy stuff here. Uh-oh, watch out for the flashing effects. You got some strobe lights. Uh-oh. Got another creepy guy here. Which way do I go? This way. We're gonna go this way. Keep on running. So I guess we're doing some Stranger Things over here. Got some demigorgons. Okay.
People ask me what my name is.
My name is Shanika.
Oh, wow. Watch out for this guy.
Name is.
Oh, creepy.
I know where you were last summer.
Uh-oh. Scream. Oh, boy.
What? Listen.
That was good. That was good. That was cool. No, it's more fun watching you. It's entertainment. And she's entertainment.
I want the rat. I do too. You take a rat.
All right, so creepy tunnel.
Oh yeah, it's like a shark. What's a shark with it? Wait, you're on a poster. I saw your face. Okay, stop there.
Andrew, that was a live one.
Yeah, probably. You're right.
Jolene, me, Steve.
He's having a good time up there in the tree. All right.
Hi.
It's okay. You guys like clowns and carnivals? Oh, you guys like clowns? Oh, we don't have any. Hope you guys enjoy the carnival. Don't lose your head. You have to pick it up at the side. Hi, what's your
Hi.
name?
I'm not telling you,
Oh, that's a little mean. Why not?
because you're going to keep my name.
Oh, I
Ain't
can't
happening.
promise that.
No.
I don't keep people's name, I swear.
Nope.
Oh. Well, do you guys like the carnival?
Oh, love the carnival.
Oh, yeah. Great times. You guys like
Yay.
the carnival? Oh, that's fun.
Go!
Okay. I'm running.
Oh, it's amazing.
We're gonna run through the maze real fast. Okay. Got past that clown. Oh boy. Cut through the people. Uh-oh. More clowns. Oh boy. Wow, that was loud. That was very loud.
You will enter Salvador next.
Oh, the salvage yard. Next. Oh boy.
Yes.
Alrighty.
Are you ready?
I think I'm ready.
Look behind you. He's gonna go each time we're back away.
Roar!
Train crossing. That was horrible time. That was already gonna say. That's horrible.
Okay. You can go. Hello, let me tell you.
Alright, tell me.
When you come through here, you do not touch any of the creatures, you do not touch any of the actors, and you do not touch any of the props. You stick to the trail and you do not run. Okay?
Okay.
And do you have an idea of why you don't leave the trail?
No.
Because you may never come back.
Oh.
There's gators over there and they're always hungry. So
Okay.
You leave trail, you be gator food.
Oh, no, thank you.
So, and you can run real quick so you miss the train, or would you rather wait for the train?
I'll run real quick.
Run really quick.
Thank you.
Okay.
You're creepy. There's a lot of stuff in here. Oh boy. Oh! Scary girl. Uh-oh. There's another one here.
Coming for you. Have a seat on the table.
No, thank you. I'm gone. See ya.
See you soon.
No, I don't think so. Okay. It says run. Should we run? Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, some creepy lights. Oh,
Told you I'd see you soon.
how did you end up here? We just left you back there, I thought. Oh boy.
You can never leave me. I'm everywhere.
Oh yeah, I gotta go. See ya. I'm married.
Seeing you again later.
I'm married. Thank you. Oh, what do we got here? Another creepy guy.
Hurry! Leave this place! Save yourselves!
I'm leaving. See ya. Whoa.
Hurry!
Trying to hurry. Oh boy. Oh, there's a headless ghost here. We got a scary little dude. And he's waving at me. And I don't know if I trust this little dude. He's telling me to be... Oh, I gotta be quiet. Oh no. Be quiet.
Ah!
Whoa, 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 whoa. Got some more lasers here. Every time, lasers. Sharks with laser beams. What is this guy doing? Is this guy a prop? Hey. Oh, look at this. Woo, Bushman. Oh, he's not a prop. Nope, he's not a prop. We're gonna keep moving. Keep moving, moving on. Why is this one facing backwards? Oh, I hear some screaming off in the distance. I don't know if that's the dead that are being awakened. Oh, look at this guy.
Once we've risen the dead, they're gonna raise the roof off this party. So hurry up and start digging. No rest for the wicked.
Nope, I'm out. I'm out of here.
Now that you are within
what do we got here?
grasp, your soul is mine forever.
Yeah, no. I think I'll pass. See ya. I'm out of here. Oh boy, what do we got? A whole bunch of mannequins. And a screaming one. Oh, what do we got here? Got somebody in a mask. Someone breathing. Some fog or something. I am out of here. Woo! Another screamer. Out of here. See ya. Okay. I'm out in the clearing, DREADites. I hope you all had a great time checking this stuff out. Back here at the food court section and the train rides. So, hope you all liked it. Thanks again.